back here.
Yeah.
What?
Hello ka-farmers, mga kabayan. Good afternoon, magandang hapon, mayong hapon. Ito pong property na to how many miles? Just 1.5 miles from is it? Yeah, mga 1.5 miles lang po mula sa bahay namin. Ayan. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Oh. Hindi po maganda yung and it is low also. Hindi po maganda yung tubo ng soybean. Inuupahan lang po ito. Is this what? How many acres? 15? So 15 acres lang po ito, maliit lang. Makulimlim po ngayon kasi kahapon ay umulan. At maganda ang panahon ngayon. Oh! I need to put Christmas lights, right? Tomorrow is... Did you check?
Temperature?
Yeah? It's okay. I'm not like
Well, I don't think it's going to get
cold.
Not tragic.
Okay.
There's going to be tomorrow's what? Got rain, but it's 68, but it's raining tomorrow.
Oh,
You can't
okay.
Then the next day is
not
cold.
bad.
You don't want to do the next day.
Okay.
Then it goes 53, 53. Then you got some
62,
more rain.
yep.
But it's in the stay in the 50s.
Yeah. Yan, liliko kami guys, liliko. Is that the owner there, Cal? Driving
Yep, one of them, yep.
Paslan po yung kanyang pag-ani. Oh, it's already full here. But I cannot see any that like a window, small window there. Yan, dyan po yung kalsada at doon po yung papunta sa amin. So tapos na po ito, ilang pasada na lang.
Now we're going to head for Gary Morgan's.
Okay, where's Gary Morgan's again?
Come on. He was just there yesterday.
Oh. Okay, I can use State Road. Right?
Up the beach, yep.
Yep, okay. And I will turn to...
We'll see. We might stay right there till we get done.
Ayun po yung may-ari.
Which is a big field over there. 60 acres.
60 acres. Yeah, that is a wet area there. I did not plant anything.
It was really bad this spring. We just couldn't get rid of the rain.
Yeah, yep, we have lots
Rain,
of rain.
rain,
Rain. Ayan po ang manibela. And it is short also. Soybeans are short.
Well, it was muddy when we planted them. You got tire tracks, muddy when we sprayed them. And then you're back in here where the deer are going to eat them.
Yup.
Just talking to Jeff, telling me this would be a good place to buy when they put it
Yeah.
for sale.
Well, the owner is not that old, and the owner has kids.
Hopefully you're not picking up any of that. I can barely hear a little bit. It's like just
Good,
hearing.
you turn it off.
Yeah, I gotta turn down.
Turn it down.
I heard a girl doing a YouTube thing.
Yeah, she can delete her video,
Well, why would she do that?
Then
she
she
already
can-
was showing it.
then she can edit it.
Well, I'm sure if she needed to, she'd have did it.
The whole video, the music is playing.
Yeah. When she was in the barn.
Well, there's like how many times strike is the bad one. They will not what you call this? It's I forgot how many times copyright, and after that you're gonna get strike.
I mean, they should realize the situation there. She was showing a milking facility, and they just had music playing in the barn. It wasn't her fault. She wasn't playing it. And she couldn't have them turn it off, you know. It wasn't like going in here where you could say, hey, could you please turn the music off?
Ayan guys, maglalagay na, ta-transfer na sa card. Oh, why are you like that?
Like what?
Well, oh, you're really on the edge there.
What?
Did you intentionally do that?
No.
Oh. Ayan. Doon naman po siya sa kabila. Sa southeast. Tapos na po dito. Ayan, tanggalin kasi hindi po yan, malaki po yan. Ay. Nakalimutan, tinapon. Ilagyan ko po ng ano to, ng apple cider juice. Ayan. Ganyan po tinatanggal kasi nako, baka buong kalsada po ay hindi po pwedeng nakakabit yan. So, yan, dadalhin doon sa field na inupahan nila. There, na-adjust yung yung steps. There. Okay, tapos na po dito. Bye-bye. Hello guys, magandang hapon mga ka-farmers, mga ka-plantito at plantita at mga kabayan. So, nandito po ako sa pear tree. Kung saan po may pear tree. Ito po ay inaarkilahan lang po nila. Itong field na to, ay puno na. Puno na po, kita nyo po sa ibabaw. Ayan. Yan, ito-transfer na po sa cart, sa grain cart. Pwede po yan habang umaandar. See? Yan, habang umaandar. That way, continuous yung combining niya. Yan ang kain namin, lalo na kasi medyo flat ground ito. Dami na pala din na ani niyo. Na-clear niya yung middle. Ayan po ang pear tree. Okay, ito po yung, that is yung Henderson Lake Road. Ang bahay po ng may-ari andyan, pero hindi po yan nakatira dito. Meron po silang apple trees, meron po silang, kita niyo po yung puti na yan. Yung puti na yan. Yan po ay beehive. Okay. Tayo mangunguha. Hinog na. Ang dami na pong nalaglag. I bet you, ay, ayun oh. Ang dami na pong nalaglag. Teka. Yan. Ang ating soybean video dito. Bandun yun. Tapos do they own this? I don't think so. Iba na yung property na yan. Hanggang dun sa dulo. Iba na pala ito. May ano siya may bakod, may mga sticks. Ayun guys, daanan na po yan ng frost eh. Ay, iba maliliit. Dami na nalaglag. Teka, tapusin ko muna to. Ang aking doggy.